Justice is coming to a street near you with Women Affairs Minister's mobile courts. Nigeria's customs, financial, and crime units join forces to hunt down wildlife criminals. Telcos to begin charging different prices for calls, data, and text by state. Welcome to Headlines Unwrapped. I'm Anthonieta Kalunta, and this is why you should care. We begin with the reports from Punch newspapers that telecommunication subscribers have kicked against the idea of telecom companies charging different prices for calls, texts, and data in different states. According to the chairman, Association of Licensed Telecoms Operators of Nigeria, Mr. Gbenga Adebayo, a national tariff was no longer appropriate because it costs different amounts to provide phone services in different states. You're probably watching this video on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, so this is why you should care. If different states implement their own tariff structures, this, my friend, spells higher costs for subscribers in some regions. Some of us may have to pay more than others, potentially burdening those in states with higher tariffs. The second reason is that this might just be complex and confusing. Having different pricing structure across states could lead to confusion among subscribers. People might struggle to understand the varying rates, leading to billing disputes and frustration. Thirdly, to the business folks and remote workers out there, especially if your business relies heavily on telecommunication services, especially those with operations in multiple states, I hope you get to breathe. The Nation newspaper reported in September that the Nigeria Customs Service, the Nigeria Financial Intelligence Unit, and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission have joined forces with the Wildlife Justice Commission in a battle against wildlife criminals and their illicit trade. Now, you might not be the biggest animal fan out there, but this is why you should care. First is security reasons. Wildlife criminals may just add to our already sad security situation. The same networks involved in wildlife trafficking may also engage in other illicit activities, including arms smuggling and organized crime. And if dodging bullets isn't enough to worry about, there's another reason to care: your health. The illegal wildlife trade can spread diseases from animals to us humans. Think about it like animals passing on some nasty bugs that can cause outbreaks like Ebola, SARS, and COVID-19. I'd like to assume you do not want another lockdown. Finally, now the Ministry of Women's Affairs is taking steps to introduce mobile courts to make it easier to deal with gender-related crimes and complaints. The Minister in charge of Women Affairs, Uche, made this announcement in Abuja and said they would work with the Ministry of Justice, civil society organizations, the Nigeria Governors Forum, and other stakeholders to set up these courts. A mobile court refers to a temporary court that is set up in various locations to provide judicial services in areas that may not have access to a permanent courthouse. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should care. First, it means getting justice becomes easier. Second, no more waiting in never-ending lines of cases. Third, you learn more about your legal rights and gender-related matters. Fourth, you'll be part of your community's efforts. And fifth, it can help you save money on legal matters. That's it for this episode of Headlines Unwrapped. I hope you found solid reasons to care. My name is Anthonieta Kalunta. See you next time.